If you are selling products online and you still do not have video ads running, this video is going to change that. I am going to show you exactly how to create a UGC-style video ad using Tagshop AI, step by step, in under 30 minutes. No camera, no editing skills, no big budget. Let's get into it. Welcome to Remote Future, where we cover the best AI tools for dropshippers, freelancers, and online business owners. If that sounds like you, make sure you subscribe because we drop new content every week. So, what is Tagshop AI? It is an AI-powered platform that lets you create UGC-style video ads using AI avatars. You get a realistic digital creator delivering your product script directly to camera. The kind of content that looks native in a TikTok or Instagram feed. The reason this matters is simple. UGC ads get 4 times higher click-through rates than traditional polished ads. And with Tagshop AI, you can make one in minutes. Here is exactly how to do it. Step 1. Go to Tagshop AI and sign up for a free account. You get 15 credits on sign up, enough to create your first ad without paying anything. Once you are in, go to the AI Ads Maker section and click URL to video. Step 2. You will see a screen that says Share your product link to generate a video ad. Paste your product URL from Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, wherever your product lives, and hit Extract URL. Tagshop AI will pull your product name, description, and images automatically. Step 3. A media library pops up, showing all the images it scraped from your listing. Pick your 4 to 6 best product images, arrange them in order, and hit Continue. Step 4. Review your primary details: product name, category, description, and your USP. This is important. Do not skip the USP field. Write one sharp reason why someone should buy your product over everything else they'd have already tried. Then hit Continue. Step 5. Video customization. Choose your aspect ratio. If you are running TikTok or Reels ads, always go 9:16. Select your platform. Choose 30 seconds for video length. Describe your target audience and hit Next. Step 6. This is the most important step: choosing your script. Tagshop AI gives you 6 options: promotional, how-to, product lifestyle, trending topic, problem solution, and testimonial. For most e-commerce ads, go with testimonial or problem solution. They open with a human story, not a sales pitch, and that is exactly why UGC converts. Read through the options, pick the one that fits, and hit Next. Step 7. Select your avatar. Filter by gender, age, scene, and ethnicity to find someone who looks like a real person your target customer would trust. When you are ready, just hit the Generate Video button to start the process. Step 8. Tagshop AI gives you 2 layout options: Snap Talk, which is a full-screen talking head, or Face and Frame, which combines the avatar with your product images. Pick your layout, render, and download. That is it. Your UGC ad is ready to upload. Before you go live, 3 quick tips. First, your hook is everything. The first 3 seconds decide whether anyone watches the rest. Lead with a problem or a surprising claim, not your product name. Second, keep it to one message. One ad, one reason to buy. Third, make at least 3 variations with different hooks and test them. AI tools make iteration cheap, so use that advantage. The link to try Tagshop AI for free is in the description below. It is a free trial, no credit card needed to get started. And if you want the full written tutorial with every step laid out, That is also linked below on Remote Future. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. We cover AI tools like this every week. See you in the next one. Remember, work smarter, live better.